Hey guys, want to talk to you about this great 22-piece set from Rubbermaid Brilliant Slime. So I've been using these forever, ever since they first came out. In fact, I redid my entire pantry using these, and I want to show you this 22-piece set because it's a really great way to get yourself started. First of all, when Rubbermaid says 22 they actually mean 22 containers with lids, so technically 44 individual pieces. They stack great. They've got this nice rectangular shape and they kind of nest in. So when they're stacked up on each other, they're not going to just slide off, which is a really great feature. Want to talk about some of the features of the lids, because I think this is really where Rubbermaid sets itself apart. So the lids are fantastic. They've got these great clips that attach to the containers really securely. And of course, this wonderful heavy rubber gasket. But here's where it really sets itself apart. You see these holes under the clips. So what happens here is when the clips are secure, you see it's got a little plug in there so it doesn't let any air in. But when you release it, it lets some air in to release that seal. So it helps with releasing the vacuum, and that makes them easier to open. These are dishwasher-safe. They're microwave-safe. They last a really long time. If you're looking for a terrific pantry or food storage containers, you're not going to do better than Rubbermaid. Check out this set.